Hey guys, it's arrived. The child. So I had to do it, guys. I had to get it. That's right. It's Grogu. So we're unboxing the Mandalorian, the Child Animatronic Edition. 25 sounds and movement combinations. So let's go ahead and open up Grogu. Look at that face. Hi, Grogu. Are you using the Force, Grogu? So there it is, guys. One of the hottest items for this Christmas. Animatronic edition of the Mandalorian, the Child. Comes with a necklace here. So I've got Yoda's factory seals popped here. So let's go ahead and take Yoda out. Just gotta pop this down. Rose, we're gonna take Yoda out. You wanna see Yoda? Okay, so we've got Yoda. He comes and you have to unscrew these little guys down here. Okay, so there we go, Rose. We've got Yoda out of his package, so let's turn him on and show the people what Yoda does. So on-off's back here, so let's go ahead and turn him on. There we go. Okay. Ah. Yeah, why don't you pet Yoda again, Rose, and let's show people what he does.
Your eyes are good.
Well, actually, Rose, we found out that his name's Grogu, didn't we? Yeah, that's little Grogu. Go ahead and pet Grogu's head again. Yeah, Dante likes Grogu too. Hi, little Grogu. Yeah, he does. I think he likes you too, Rose. Oh, likes Mama Daisy too. Oh, there's the Force. Oh, little baby Yoda. And, you know, sometimes little baby sometimes little baby Grogu gets tired. So he goes to sleep. Yeah. Yeah. Little Grogu sleeping. All right, why don't you wake him up, bros? Hi, Grogu. So there you have it for little baby Grogu, Mandalorian. Let's get you guys the box over here. Mandalorian, the Child. We found out recently that his name is Grogu. So thanks for coming over to the Urban Garden, little baby Grogu. You'll make a good gnome soldier. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and Urban Garden. Say bye-bye, Rose.
Bye.